Yeah. Photo can wait.
So we are going to start happy moments. Followed by that. Thank you. Thank you everyone for being with us. And first of all, for your time, for your patience, for being with us till I guess it's 7:30 now. So being with us from last 2.5 hours. And few words for Captain Am.
So 3, 2, 1.
I've already spoken my heart out, and it could have been the better time for the launch than today, because we are just witnessed that unfortunate incident that happened, and it has reminded us that we need to be vigilant, need to be mindful, need to be attentive in whatever we do, and especially in the high stakes environment of the aviation safety. And there couldn't be any person better than Captain Amit himself, with such a vast experience in this field, doing so much in that ecosystem, to pen down his thoughts and craft his book. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. Thank you.
it's my privilege to be here today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Do you know who arranged these things? Like you are here. There are so many beautiful things over there. Maybe you must have tasted it. Maybe or maybe not. I'll try after the event. Yeah, sure. So she came here. She spent a lot more time, and all the time she's active. She's all the way on her toes, I'll say, and doing plenty of things for every one of us. Asking everyone, doing everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. And this event is very beautiful, very successful because of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's great being co-pilot too. It's a wonderful man here.
Great. So, thank you for being with us till now. It's 7:30 and you took so much time, so much effort, and I can see your participation from there. You are quite active, and maybe you know him from a long time.
Well,
Yeah, please.
well, I know Amit when he was Mittu. I was very close to his dad. I was like his, you can say, son. I started, I used to ride horse riding a lot at President Bodyguard, and I asked the commandant to make his dad a member, and he used to ride with me, and a lot of things that we shared was out of this world, and Mittu, the first beer that we me and his elder brother Apur, we made him drink a beer, a bottle of beer, maybe a glass he took or something, and then he was very, very shy at that time. And he's come up as what a fine personality. I'm so happy about it. Can I say a share for you?
Yes, please.
जीवन सफल हो तुम्हारा, जिंदगी के उत्तम सफर पर, महीन सी डगर पर, ज्ञान की वर्षा से सराबोर हो जाऊं दामन तुम्हारा, जीवन सफल हो तुम्हारा।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. And one of the most youngest among us, I'll say, the most beautiful person, and youngest I'm saying because age is just a number. So, and when I came, I just for 5 minutes, he gave me a beautiful teaching also. So that is something which I'll remember. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being with us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Two lines is enough.
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये मौका तो है अमित जी की सेलिब्रेशन का। Today being the happiest moment for me to see my son-in-law from pilot to becoming an author and simultaneously for 2 books. I was just asking him sometime back, when did you start writing? He said that all this has been done in the past 4 years. And how did you get that much time when you were flying also simultaneously? That time, so if you have the will to do it, then you can do it. Nothing can stop you. So my congratulations once again, and all the best for many more books to come.
Thank you.
Good evening, everybody.
Okay.
वो भी कह रहा है। देखो हम तो डायरेक्टर है ना सर, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, बहुत Good evening, everybody. Myself G.S. Baba, and we know Captain Amit from long time. हम उस टाइम से जानते हैं जिस टाइम से ये हमारे को नहीं जानते, ठीक है, पर वो डिस्कवरी का वही बात है हुई, राइट? So he is a great author by genes, not by his wits. It is genes. Professor N.K. Singh, our chairman, he is the son, yeah. Right? And he used to talk about him, but हम कभी जानते नहीं थे, तो अपने बच्चों की तारीफ बच्चों के सामने शायद कम करते हैं, फादर बार जोर ज़्यादा करते हैं. So he doesn't know what kind words he used to speak about it, and he was very proud of him and very happy. One day, casually we met in the cafeteria, and we were talking a lot of aviation things, and he said, I too have a connect with the aviation. I said, that's okay, you are an airline, you are good aviation. He said, no, with the airports also. Then he said, oh, I say, we always used to know about him but never met. So that's so nice of him. And after that we continued the connect, and this book is a great piece of wisdom. I had one question which I have kept parked. Now since you can get that question and you can answer that also, mind fly, right, and human factors. You have been writing this book for long, and in between a lot of things have changed, and it happens with many authors. Right, I said authors who are, some author said I took 26 years to write a book, but then either it's an autobiography he or she doesn't want to disclose, or something else. But you also took a lot of time in writing this book. In between, AI has come, quantum computing has come, and they all affect the human factors and many things. And how much of that is already there, how much is left, so that we look for a new book. That is my query, and once again thank you very much and congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yeah, sure. You have to.
The answer to the question is also in the book. One of the chapters is on AI. So all those who are in aviation who have been using automation.
Right.
So it is how you look at it. I look at automation as another person in the cockpit.
Right.
If you look automation only as a machine that you push a button, something happens, that is different. But I look from the human, I try to humanize automation. Which means automation is sometimes moody.
Right.
Yeah? So sometimes it works fine, sometimes it doesn't work fine. What you do, you reset.
Right.
You reset the circuit breaker, this, that, doesn't work.
Right.
Then lash somewhere.
Right.
So like human beings, that my mood is off now. I won't work.
Right.
So automation refuses to work.
Right.
Then you have to look at alternatives. So sometimes you reset, you give some cooling time, starts. So if you look at automation, humanized automation, so that is kind of closer to AI, because AI is getting closer.
Right.
So before they used to say that there are two things that artificial intelligence cannot do. One is abstract thinking, the other is hearing murmurs.
Okay.
Abstract thinking is totally off, going on a tangent, because AI will go kind of in a structured manner so far. Tomorrow what might happen is different. But humans always go on a tangent. Let's not do this, let's go the other way,
Right.
this way. Like you make a painting, abstract painting, something, keep doing it, you have a masterpiece.
Right.
Then is the murmur. That is basically connected with especially mothers.
Right.
That if you're in a crowded place and your child is crying, the mother will hear the child.
Yes.
That is a murmur which automation or AI cannot replicate. But that is what all you can also say that the inkling that you get
Right.
something is not right,
Right.
the gut feel,
Right.
intuition.
Right.
So all that thing is yet to be developed.
Right.
Humans have that
Uh,
capability. Yeah?
Right.
So we are still ruling.
Right.
It's not too late,
Right.
but human factor is also blending into AI. How you deal with AI?
Right. Right.
How you treat it? You treat it like a person or you treat it like a machine?
Great.
So that is closer to a person.
Right. Thank
That
you.
is one of the chapters.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So now,
Intelligence has become artificial,
Ah,
but emotion and instinct will always remain ordinary.
yeah, exactly.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being with us. And few words to Captain Amit.
The eldest in our family.
कैप्टन अमित जो है ये मेरा कज़न ब्रदर है। तो मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि हमारे अंकल की जो राइटिंग की जो किताबें लिखने की जो लीगेसी थी उसके इसने आगे बढ़ाया, क्योंकि वो उनको किताबें लिखने का बहुत शौक था, मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर, एविएशन के ऊपर,
सक्सेसफुल है ना, ब्यूटीफुल वे।
हर एक सब्जेक्ट पे उन्होंने बहुत बुक्स लिखी आपकी। तो कैप्टन अमित ने उसको आगे बढ़ाया, पोइट्री ये सब इनका फैमिली ट्रेडिशन रहा है, पोइट्री लिखना, बुक्स लिखना, पेंटिंग करना। तो इन्होंने आगे किया, हमें बहुत खुशी है और ये आगे और तरक्की करे, हमारी यही दुआ काम।
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Last but not least, the special one, our pilot for the day. Sir. Everyone, please can stand up for the lecture. So, before we do the wrap up, one last question from my end. That how's your feeling throughout until now? How is your exact expression that you feel right now?
Yet to sink in.
Please.
More than the book, I'm glad to see so many friends here and colleagues and all well-wishers. So that is kind of overwhelmed rather than the book. So yes, book is important because that is also about the human being, but friendship is kind of goes to another level. So seeing old friends and from school, from academy, from workplace, and then family is also here, so hotels carrying on. So that is the best possible gift I can get in my birthday month.
Oh, great. Please, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Amit's book, I have to say this for him. I'm happy to see it in print, compiled today. But it's a book of his thoughts and thinking of the past, easily 15 odd years that I have known him talking about this stuff, writing about this.
How many days he disturbed you? This is the idea I got. The first one to judge.
So he doesn't disturb me. His
Okay.
method of working is very different.
Okay.
We have a casual conversation about something and how that beautifully gets converted into a brilliant idea. It is so effortless.
Absolutely.
And it's a special gift that he has. I have to say that. I mean, you'll read this book, you'll read references to many conversations which have happened, not just with me, many of the family, with the children as well. But how he is able to weave that perspective, convert it into something which is so applicable to management, to aviation, and he'll spin a very readable story where nobody feels that, oh, this is too technical and too hard for me to comprehend. This book is not just about aviation. Anybody can relate to it, apply it, find meaning in it. So I'm so happy to see that today there is a book. He used to write these articles. there would be blog posts. That's how it started, and a few well-wishers would subscribe, would read regularly, write to him. But to see all of that today in one solid book, hard copy, is like so many years and days and nights of work. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations to all the family members, to all the well-wishers, to all the loved ones. This book belongs to you. You have put, maybe someday you had some sort of conversation which is written here. So maybe you have to figure it out.
Yes, you are.
So thank you for being with us. And now anyone who is willing to sign their books, get the things, the pictures clicked.
Thanks to Captain Harinder Singh, and I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for coming.
चलो मैं साइन करा रही हूँ।
At this moment, I am reminding of the saying, when you write a book, at least you have free some thoughts, so that you can work on the next thought.
Right.
So now these thoughts are free, now you're free to write another book.
Trust me, it's already a work in progress.
I know, after 4 times, this was pending, now another one.